Hi, and welcome to E3 Strength. My name is Earl, and it's Workout Wednesday, which means we're bringing you guys a great, brand new bodyweight workout that you can use at home to burn fat and build muscle. Stop! Disclaimer. This workout is a plyo workout, so not only is it high intensity, it's higher intensity, and it's going to put some impact on the joints and connective tissue. So this is not for the faint of heart. We're going to jump right into today's workout. Our warm-up is going to start with a sumo stance. It's just an extra wide stance, and you're going to be working on your lats and your hamstrings. So we're going to do a quick lat stretch to each side, 5 per side. You're also working your obliques, lower back, and getting the workload of most of your upper body. From there, taking the back side of your hand, rotating under and reaching for your toes, you're going to get a nice hamstring stretch while still mobilizing your shoulders. You're going to do each of those 5 per side. Jump right into the first set of exercises. Your first exercise is called a hop out. You're going to get into a quarter squat position, keep your knees and your hips nice and loose, and you're jumping in and out. And you're going to keep this going for time. As soon as you're done, you're going to start being out of breath, and you're going to stagger your stance, toe and heel in line for one side. And you're going to go down as low as you can into a squat and back up. You're going to notice that your back leg, the heel, is probably going to come off the ground because most of us don't have the mobility to do anything else. And that's okay. That's just going to target more of the quads by going onto the toes. This is what it looks like on your other side. You're going to do both sides for the reps listed. The last thing you're doing after that is a plank jack. So you're hopping into a hand plank position, jumping in and out just like a jumping jack. So 2 plyo moves is something that squat to really get the heart rate up. Your next set of exercises is going to start with a swinging leg bridge. Now if you've done a bridge with this before, that single leg, you typically want to keep your thighs parallel and not use those legs in momentum. But since we're doing so many reps in this case, we're going to swing that leg up and use it to the best of our ability. This is what it looks like. You're doing 20 per leg. So make sure to get both sides in before you go to your next exercise, which is going to be a plank up down. So plank with the forearms to the hands. Working the triceps, the shoulders, even a little bit of the biceps, chest, and back. When you're finished with that move, you're going to jump into a reverse plank. Some people call this an Eastern plank as well. All this means is you're planking upside down. It's pretty tough on the hips, and you may need to play with your hand position to figure out what works best for your shoulders. Once you're in this position, working on a knee tuck. Really getting the abs engaged while trying to stay up off the ground. The final set of exercises that you have is going to start with 3 plyo moves, and then we're going to get into your finisher. Your first one is going to be a jump squat. You've seen it before. Get nice and low, explode up, absorb down. When you're done, you're going right into a plyo lunge. Your plyo lunge, jumping and alternating. The last thing you have is a sumo pop squat. You're going back to that extra wide stance, nice and low, touching down. Similar to the hop outs, a lot more stress in the inner thighs and the quads. Your finisher, thank goodness, slows down a little bit because you're going to be out of breath. It's going to be a Spiderman plank. Plank on your forearms, just like this. Drive the knee into the outside of the body, alternate. I hope this workout's been helpful. If it has, please give us a like, a comment, or a share, and be sure to join our 2019 Fitness Challenge starting in 2 days on January 12th. Thanks.